So you're over 40 and you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, or you've started a YouTube channel, but you feel like you can't really create many videos because there's just too much involved in the production of your videos. But let's take a step back. Maybe you should be trying easy mode. Now, what's this catchy phrase, easy mode? Basically, easy mode on YouTube means having videos which doesn't require too many transitions when you're editing the video. It doesn't require too much B-roll. It can be like a talking head video like this. This is called a talking head video, where I'm basically just chatting to you, right? It's a conversation. You're not seeing things flying on the screen. It's just a simple video. This is what easy mode refers to. And there are many ways in which you can incorporate easy mode in your videos. Because sometimes when our videos are too heavily produced, it takes a great deal of time. So you may end up only posting one video a month. But with easy mode, you can actually publish a video a week or even more. So let's talk about some of the ways that you could actually have easy mode in your videos. So some great options for easy mode. You can do live streaming, and also if you use storytelling in your videos, it will help you to engage with your audience because everybody loves a good story. I know I love good stories. And it can be stories about your own life or stories that have happened to people that you know of, and you think that it'll be interesting and helpful for others to learn from, if that's what you want to share. And storytelling is a wonderful way to engage with your audience, because at the end of the day, it's humans connecting with each other on this platform. When we are recording, like I am now with my phone, and I've always recorded with the phone, that's another way of easy mode where you don't have to have these cameras, etc. And yes, I'm not saying cameras are not great. Of course they are. But I wasn't prepared to put in so much money to buy a camera, so I'm just using my phone at this stage. Maybe things will change later. But I'm using my easy mode understanding of just using my phone. And with easy mode, you don't have to heavily edit your videos. You can obviously make them well edited enough so that when a person is watching your video, they feel like, okay, I can follow along with what the person is actually communicating. But your videos don't have to be highly edited, highly produced videos. So in easy mode, it allows you to have a more natural feeling video. And it allows your authenticity to come across to the person who's watching your video. So, on YouTube, people always say focus on quality. And then you think quality is like high production value, highly edited videos. But with easy mode, it's more about focus on value. Focus on the value that you're providing through your content. And sometimes, the more videos you create, the more quantity you create, you are improving every video. And this is another way of easy mode. It allows you to have more time to create more content, and then by creating quantity and improving every video, it then leads to higher quality videos. So everybody talks about the algorithm, but what the algorithm wants is not looking to see, is this video highly produced? No, the algorithm is looking at watch time. How much time has a person spent watching your video? So if your video is a simple video like this, but people have watched it for quite a long time, then the algorithm will push out that video even though it isn't highly produced, because it has such a great watch time period. So don't think that your video has to be so produced in order to get watch time. That's not true. Now, is easy mode the way to just absolutely have a total shortcut to immediate YouTube success? Absolutely not. Because even with easy mode, you still have to research your ideas for your video, what you're going to talk about. You still have to prepare. You just can't ramble with no thought of how your video is going to actually come across to the viewer. You have to have preparation. You have to plan, but you don't have to plan for months in advance, I would say, because sometimes that can be so debilitating. Have an idea of what you're going to say. Have it written down in a Google Doc, which I find tremendously helpful. And you know how you're going to actually speak because you have the points written down. So you have some idea of what you're going to say. With easy mode, you can jump onto viral trends pretty easily because okay, I'm just going to have a sit down video about this. For example, the US elections. You can talk about that if that's related to your channel. You can have a sit down video like this and chat about it. So you know that you don't have to have a heavily produced video about it. And you can become more consistent with your videos because there isn't much time involved in the production of your video. I think with easy mode, it also teaches us to not have to always strive for perfection with our videos, because many times if we see like a minor mistake in our video, we may think, oh, but I don't want to publish this video. Let me actually film this video again. But with easy mode, it teaches us that, it's fine to be imperfect. We are all imperfect. Go on and publish that video. Learn from the things that you could have done better in that video, but don't spend so much time on that video in terms of analyzing it to depth. Rather just publish, move on to your next video, improve the next video, and improve the next and the next and the next. And before you know it, when you look at your first video versus your 8th video, you will see that you've improved. And easy mode can enable you to improve at a fast rate because you are consistently recording yourself, editing with minimum edits, and publishing videos. So let us know in the comments, what do you think of easy mode? What are you using to create your videos? Are you creating highly produced videos? Are you creating talking head videos like this? What do you find challenging about easy mode? What do you find easy about easy mode on YouTube? And also be sure to watch this video, which talks about the different niches and what CPMs they have.